TRON TRX has quietly become one of the most dominant blockchains for stablecoins, DEFI, and payments. But in 2025, TRX staking has taken center stage, offering not only passive income, but also governance power in one of the most decentralized ecosystems. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about staking TRX in 2025, from the basics to choosing super representatives to maximizing rewards and avoiding hidden risks. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto investor, by the end of this guide, you'll be a true master of TRX staking. Quick roadmap of sections, visual roadmap animation. What is TRX and staking basics? The TRON network in 2025 super representatives in voting. Staking mechanics step-by-step rewards APY and compounding risks and how to avoid them. Strategies for different investors, TRX staking versus other coins. Future Outlook 2025 and beyond too. Understanding TRX and staking basics. Explain TRON blockchain history, founded by Justin Sun, 2017, now 2025. Why TRX matters. TRON hosts over 50% of global USDT transactions, used heavily in Asia, Africa, and emerging markets. Fast, low-cost transactions. Define staking. Locking TRX tokens to support network security and operations. In return, receive rewards plus voting rights. Different from mining. Explain DPoS equals delegated proof of stake. 3. TRON network in 2025. Latest stats, 2025 updates. Daily active wallets, TVL, number of super representatives, energy bandwidth. TRON's role in DeFi, stablecoins, cross-border payments. Partnerships in 2025. Hint at stablecoin adoption, institutional usage. Why staking is essential for TRON's governance and ecosystem stability. 4. Super representatives in voting. Who are super representatives? SRS. Top 27 SRS validate blocks. Next 100 are super partners. How voting works. Stake TRX. Get TRON power, TP. Vote for SRS of your choice. The more votes an SR gets, the higher chance to produce blocks. Rewards distribution. SRS earn block rewards. Share rewards with voters, different percentages. How to choose the right SR. Transparency reward sharing ratio. Reliability show examples of popular SRS in 2025. 5. Step-by-step. How to stake TRX. Get TRX from exchanges, Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, etc. Transfer to a wallet. TRON Link, Ledger, Trust Wallet. Freeze TRX. Freeze for energy or bandwidth. Unlock anytime after 3 days. Get TRON power, TP. 1 TRX equals 1 TP when frozen. Vote for super representatives. Claim rewards daily or weekly. Show screen record style instructions for TRON Link. Warn about scams and fake SR websites. 6. Rewards, APY, and compounding average APY in 2025. 3% to 6% annually. Varies by SR. Some SRS offer bonus tokens, NFTs, or extra perks. Example calculation. If you stake 10,000 TRX at 5% APY, 500 TRX per year. Power of compounding. Reinvesting rewards equals higher returns. Difference between staking via wallet, manual, exchange, Binance staking, OKX earn. 7. Risks and challenges. Centralization risk. Some SRS dominate voting. Liquidity risk. TRX is locked for 3 days when frozen. Market risk. TRX price volatility. Exchange staking risk. Custodial equals counterparty risk. Regulation risk. TRON under scrutiny in some regions. How to avoid them. Diversify SR votes. Use non-custodial wallets. Keep part of TRX liquid. Stay updated with regulations. 8. Staking strategies for beginners. Stake small amounts first. Choose top SRS with proven track record. For passive income seekers, maximize compounding. Split votes across SRS. For risk takers, try smaller SRS offering higher rewards. For long-term holders, HODLers, stake and forget. Focus on governance rather than just rewards. 9. TRX staking versus other coins. Compare TRX staking with Ethereum, higher APY, higher fees. Cardano, decentralized pools. Solana, fast but had outages. Polkadot, higher APY but complex. TRX advantages, low fees. Strong stablecoin ecosystem. Quick withdrawals. TRX disadvantages, lower APY compared to others. Centralization concerns. 10. Future outlook and predictions. TRON's growth with USDT dominance. Institutional adoption potential in 2025. Staking may become more competitive, lower rewards. Governance will become more important as TRON expands. TRON 2.0 upgrades, if announced in 2025. Is TRX staking safe? Relatively safe, but depends on market. Can I lose my TRX? No, but price volatility is risk. Best wallet for staking? TRON Link plus Ledger for security. Minimum TRX required? Even one TRX, but practical equals 100 plus. Comment below. Are you staking TRX in 2025? Which super representative do you support and why? Like, subscribe, join Telegram group for updates.